Drones for agriculture are majorly used for crop monitoring and pesticide spraying as well. The drone comprises of BLDC motors, electronic speed controller, GPS, flight controller, propellers and LiPo batteries. Ultrasonic sensors are coupled to Arduino board for acquiring the information of plant height. Vision sensors are used to capture images of the crops. The farmer can visualize and control the drone very easily using Virtual Monitor and Mission Planner software respectively. By image processing, the plant health information can be acquired. The drones generally used in agricultural applications are quadcopters, as it has 4 arms with low payloads, and mostly used for crop monitoring, and octocopters having 8 arms with high payloads employed in pesticide spraying. The sensory data acquired are stored in cloud, processed, and location set points of pest infection are generated. These location set points can be fed into larger drones, enabling it reach to exact location and spray apt amount of pesticides with help of nozzles. All the accessories of the drone are selected with respect to the lifting capacity of the drone, which is also known as payload. As the cloud data is stored with respect to timeline, this data is further analyzed to order to forecast best crop cultivation based on the season, pest attack frequency, yield of the crops, etc.